It's craft time.
I seen these cute little beehives online, and I decided to make my own. Things you're gonna need: flower pot from Walmart, $1.25, glue gun and glue sticks, scissors. You're also gonna need some nautical rope and paint. I purchased both of those from the Dollar Tree. The buttons I got from Walmart, and the ribbon I purchased from Hobby Lobby. You're also gonna need some fake honey. I made my honey with yellow paint and glue. So what you're gonna need to do is take your time and wrap the nautical rope around the flower pot. Make sure you use enough glue between each rope. I painted a black circle in the middle, and I'm gonna use a piece of nautical rope and wrap it around the black circle. Make sure it's a perfect circle. So the buttons that I purchased from Walmart were $1.97. You can find them in the DIY jewelry section in Walmart. So basically, as you can see, I have many imperfections. That's the one thing about crafting. Nothing is ever perfect, just as long as you make it your baby. So basically, when I'm placing my buttons onto my hive, I'm just making sure that no two of the same buttons are right next to each other. If you have small kids, this is the time where you want them to go ahead and join you in your craft. You can place the buttons on to the beehive. And don't worry, it doesn't have to be perfect. Just make it your own. Just make it unique. That's the one thing about crafting. It's not supposed to be perfect. Crafting is so special. It's a way that you can spend quality time with your children. I wish my girls were still younger. That way they would be crafting with me right now. But now they're a lot older. They're into their video games and their phones. But every now and then we do get a craft in, especially around the holidays. We love crafting with each other. So if you have younger kids, just let them help you. You may feel like they're hurting or messing things up, but it's okay. Let them add their cute little touch to it. That's one of the things I had to learn. Don't go behind them, just let it be. So I'm outside with all these bugs, but I have one more flower I'm going to add at the top, and I'll be done with all my buttons. And oh my goodness, I love it. So now we're at my favorite part. We're just going to make some bows. Just a regular bow. Nothing special. I already made a bow out of the black and yellow ribbon, so now I'm just gonna make a bow out of this one. After I've positioned it how I want, I'm just going to cut out the tails on the end. Is this? Oh my goodness, I love it. So you always want to make sure you burn the ends of your ribbon so that they won't fray. Alright, this is my honey. Don't laugh. It's not big as I want, but I think it's going to do the job. Adorable. I love the finished product, and I hope that you do too.